So take a quick look at a couple of these proportions, how to solve these. We'll start with a simple one. 5 over x is equal to 2 over 3. And what we can do here, so take a look at how to solve a couple of these proportions. We'll start with a simple one. Start with this guy, 5 over x is equal to 2 over 3. Now the way we can solve any proportion like this where we have a fraction equal to a fraction is we can always just cross multiply. So I can cross here, 5 times 3 is 15, and then 2 times x is just 2x. And so we get this expression 15 is equal to 2x, this equation. And then from here we know how to solve this. We can just divide both sides by 2, and I'll get that x is equal to 15 over 2. So let's try a little more complicated one. Alright, so again, we have the same kind of format. We just have a little bit more complicated expressions. So 2 plus x over 12 is equal to x minus 7 over 10. Again, I'm just going to cross multiply, so 10 times 2 plus x will be 10 times 2 plus x. Make sure you keep this in parentheses because we'll have to distribute the 10. And then 12 times x minus 7, so 12 times x minus 7. Again, we'll have to distribute the 12, so make sure you keep it in parentheses. So we have 10 times 2, which is 20. 10 times x is 10x. 12 times x is 12x. And then 12 times negative 7 is negative 84. So now I can combine all my things with x's in it. I want to move everything with an x to one side of the equation. So maybe I'll subtract 10x from both sides of the equation. And that'll leave me with 20 is equal to 12x minus 10x is 2x, and then minus 84. But now I can add 84 to both sides. So if I add 84 here, those will cancel out. And I'll add 84 to this side and end up getting 104. Is equal to 2x, so 104 equals 2x. Now we'll just divide both sides by 2. And we'll end up getting that x is equal to 52 for this problem. And all of these proportions will be solved the same way. If you have a fraction equals to a fraction, you can always just cross multiply, and then hopefully from there you can solve the equation relatively easily.